Yeah, hello folks, how you doing? We're gonna go through a quick breakdown of this trade as to why exactly I took this trade. As you all know, I use the 15-minute, the 5-minute, and the 1-minute charts only. Most of the time I have no bias.
Você vive na gandaia, samba na saia, em casa nem vê.
Yeah, most of the time I have no bias. I focus on the 15-minute, that's where I start. I draw my 15-minute fair value gaps, BCs and CBs. And sometimes it's pre-market, sometimes it's post-market. That is before 9:30 or before even 8:30, and post 8:30 and post 9:30. Okay, let's just jump right into it. On the left side of the screen, we have the 15-minute 15-minute chart. On the right side, we have the 1-minute chart, where I usually take my entries. The 15-minute here, we have the 15-minute SIBI shown here in the shaded gray area. There's another 15-minute SIBI right above it. Price at 8:30 started trading up. It hits the 15-minute SIBI. It stays there. It ranges, consolidates for a while. It creates a swing high, and then we start seeing rejection just before 9:30, around 9:15, I would say. Yeah, 9:15, the 9:15 candle, that black candle. We see a slight rejection at 9:30. Price creates a big wick up and then trades down, showing close rejection, a very clear rejection. It actually trades down and then it trades up, and showing a clear sign of rejection at this 15-minute SIBI and willingness to trade down. And then while this is happening on the 15, I'm also monitoring the 5-minute. The 5-minute isn't shown here because I'm showing the trade where I was taken on the 1-minute. So and then I'm monitoring the 1-minute, and I see this movement after 9:30. There was actually, before 9:30, there was a displacement to the downside, but that wasn't enough for me. It did not. I don't see any market structure shift over there. So I waited. There is a fair value gap. Yes, that is the 1-minute SIBI. And I waited for the post 9:30, the 2nd minute, and the 3rd minute after 9:30. Those are the two black candles showing clear displacement and a break in market structure. And price trades back up into that first fair value gap. I did not take that trade over there. I wasn't too confident. I waited for another displacement, and as you can see over right here, the second SIBI, SIBI untapped fair value gap. Unfortunately, the fair value gap was not tapped, as illustrated here in my notes. And I waited for a further displacement, and there was a further displacement and a third SIBI, and price trades back into it. And there's this big wick black candle rejecting price at that SIBI and showing willingness to trade even down further. And where I usually take the trade is one big black candle, or one big up candle or down candle outside the SIBI or the BC, and or two candles depending on the candle basically. And that's exactly where my entry was. My initial TP was supposed to be at this bottom where it says buy limit at 18705.50, but then I decided to take my TP a little bit earlier at that first swing low, or at that first swing low. And that's exactly what I did as the trade went on. I moved my TP up, and as the trade was moving down, I kept trailing my stop loss. At some point, my stop loss was covering costs and commissions and fees and a little bit into profit. And as I was going to trail my stop loss even further, TP was hit at that first swing low. So simple, not easy, but simple, and a classic ICT 2022 model, basically. And I wait for these every single day. Sometimes they yes, they no. If they appear, I take them. If they don't present themselves, I simply shut my computer and I'm gone for the day. This is basically the setup that I use every single time. And if I don't see it, then I don't take a trade. It's that simple. Hope you found this useful. Should you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Please do consider subscribing. You have a good day.